another adventure brought to you by ThomasMiata. If this is your first time here, don't forget to click the subscribe button before we get started. I just wanted to give a huge shout out to my wife. Look at that. Oh, isn't that cute? Oh yeah, and we're gonna be going drifting, guys. Gambler is a competition in New Jersey at Raceway Park. Check them out, give them a follow. What is good, everybody? We are out here, we are teched, and we're ready to go. I'm about to jump in this car and see what's good. This is my first pass. You would have given me a big old gap. Alright, that went pretty good. These tires felt a little bit slick there, so I'm going to take a look at them. They're probably fine, but they're 235, so they're small, and I'm used to a lot more grip. Make sure I cruise around this track the whole time and not crash. That's the goal. Having a good time. I'm having a little bit of a blow-by issue with the motor. Got some maybe overfillage of the oil or something like that. No big deal, just come in after every run and empty it. Hopefully it'll clear itself up here. I have probably lost about half a quart so far, put 8 quarts in a total, so maybe next time I'll do like 7. The new gearing feels really good on the track. Third gear feels great, and the motor spins up in a nice healthy RPM range, and that's why it's spitting oil. So whatever, we're gonna keep sending it. This is the worst part, just sitting here waiting. It's gonna be in the 70s probably. All right, I got a 75 on that, which isn't too bad. I got another run to do. Hopefully I can throw down a little bit better. I'm gonna leave these same tires on the car. I think they felt okay. Just put down another pass. I just want to make sure I drift tomorrow. I'm not here to win it. I'm here to get to the event and get some passes in and have a good time and not break my car, not crash, you know. See what happens. Fingers crossed. Okay, we got our second qualifying run coming up right now. Wish me luck. Alright guys, I got an 85, so I qualified better. Yeah, awesome. Very happy with a better score. Had a good run, and that should put me in the top 10, I would think. Probably top 10, yeah, which I'm happy with. You know, top half of the class there. Maybe top 8, we'll see. I'll let you know in the driver's meeting.
Englishtown Raceway Park with a bunch of broken cars.
That happens.
Yep. Got some White Claw. How's Bitcoin doing today?
Not great, not great. It's slowly down.
Oh, at least you're doing good driving, you know? It's that energy to feed the fire.
And one plus or minus, you know. Yeah, no, I'm not worried about it.
Yeah. It's a lifestyle, you know?
It is. You know, I'll just be poor if it goes down. That's okay. I'm used to that.
You know what? As long as you're okay with that, though.
I live that life. I got the Brickman trailer, bro.
It's not going down. It's not going down as fast as the dollar is.
Yep.
Coming in 7th with an 85 ThomasMiata. First place with a 95.
Shout out to Nils for the ride, for the wheels. Damn, you got the tricks, dog. Follow Nils. He's of the Norway variety. Oh. What's good, man? What's your Instagram?
Bruno_M3T.
Nice.
How you doing, everybody?
Hell yeah.
We out here.
We are taking advantage of golden hour to its fullest while everyone else is drinking beers. Good morning. I slept in the truck, whereas normally I would have slept in the trailer, but a little cold last night and didn't feel like hooking up any generators. Also don't have heat, so the truck made the most sense. And I got about an hour till people are allowed in the gate, so I gotta get a shower. Oh, that's the other thing. This track has showers, so if you're here and you want to sleep in your truck, it's perfectly viable. Come on down. All right, guys, have a look at this thing. Look at all the tire. It collects. And the lino tire, sticky rubber, breaks up into nice smooth pieces. Good job. A little bit of news on the Valino tires. I did not actually buy any more for this event. I was just using scrubs that I already had left over from Drift Week. So I'm actually running some cheapies for the comp. No, nothing bad about Valino. Just trying to save some money for my other car and never ran it. So then I had them left over, so I'm just running what I have. Getting through the weekend, getting some passes, and not crashing my car. We got Dylan here, shout out.
Dirty D Stunts or powdercoatexpress.
There you go. Give him a follow, guys. Yeah, we're gonna do a little ride along here and I might pass the camera off to him so maybe we get some better shots. I'm gonna probably do a couple follow runs too. I'm running some scrub tires, so I'm not gonna be fast and I might as well not waste anybody's time being out front of them. Thank you, sir.
ThomasMiata in that lead position. And Chris Meyer in that E46 behind. Thomas initiates, gets it down to turn number one. Chris Meyer falls in position behind him, goes in and takes out the inner clip. Back in the inner clip too. Chris getting comfy behind him. You can really see the size difference between that E46 and Thomas's little tiny Miata as they cross over the finish line. we go. Chris Meyer, that E46, taking that lead. ThomasMiata in the Miata, taking the chase. Chris filling outside zone number 1. Thomas diving right behind him as they transition to interclip 1. Chris working for the outside zone 2. Thomas falling behind a little bit. Chris works way to interclip 2. Transition outside zone number 3. A gap now set. A consistency over the finish line. A great run here from Chris Meyer. ThomasMiata fell behind, found the speed, couldn't make it back up.
Good job. I think you probably got it because of proximity.
And Chris Meyer taking that Drift HQ $25 gambler token and awarded $50 for taking the win. Chris Meyer will work his way into the top 8.
Well, it went down the way I expected, but it's okay. I didn't crash the car. Very happy about that. All right, guys, if I don't get into anything else, I'll see you on the next one.
Get you off.
And we're ready